Happy Wednesday, K2B! How are you today? Wow, look at your face! You have a big smile on your face. I think you are happy and healthy today. Nah, today we are going to continue to learn language with Ibu Evelyn. Are you ready? Good job! In this lesson, we are going to review the sounds of letter E. K2B, do you still remember what is the sounds of letter E? Correct! The sounds of letter E is eh. Some words are consist of eh sounds. It can be in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Let's see the example. Look at this picture. What picture is this? Yes, this is a dentist. Can you repeat after Ibu Evelyn? Dentist. Very good. K2B, do you hear eh sounds in the dentist word? Yes, we have it in the middle of the word. Let's hear the next word. Yellow tooth. Do you hear eh sounds in the word yellow? Correct. There is eh sounds in the word yellow. How about this? Elephant. Can you hear eh sounds in the word of elephant? Yes, it's in front of the word elephant. Let's see the next picture. What picture is this? Yes, this is pencils. Can you hear eh sounds in the word pencils? Yes, it's in the middle of the word. What about this picture? Do you know what picture is this? Yes, this is egg. Do you hear eh sounds in the word egg? Yes, it's in front of the word. Now, do you know what sound is this? Yes, this is O sound. Let's see the example. K2B, do you know if you brush your teeth with the toothpaste that consists of fluoride, your teeth will be strong. Strong. Do you hear O sounds in the word strong? Correct. It's in the middle of the word strong. What picture is this? Yes, this is octopus. Do you hear O sounds in the word octopus? Wow, you are great. We can hear two O sounds in the word octopus. In the beginning of the word and in the middle of the word octopus. The next picture. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, this is fox. Can you hear O sound in the word fox? Well done! It's in the middle of the word fox. After this, let's do our worksheets. So, prepare your worksheets. 2 cups, scissor, popsicle sticks, and glue. Next, please cut all the pictures on your worksheets. And then, stick them on the popsicle sticks. And then, prepare your cups with eh and O sounds. And the last, you can put the picture with eh sounds in the eh cup, and then the picture with O sound in the O cup. Can you do it, K2B? I know you can do it by yourself. If you already finished, you can take a picture and upload it to Schola. Okay, bye-bye K2B. See you!